Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Aoyemi Victor, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to solve this issue: access denied for user root at localhost using password yes. This is the kind of error which you might probably face when you are trying to start up your MySQL on your terminal. So how can you go about fixing this issue? So the first thing you need to understand is that issue is actually associated with MySQL denying you, maybe probably because your password is incorrect. So like when I try to run sudo mysql -u root -p and I input password, that is why I'm getting this issue. So the first thing we have to do is to reset the MySQL root um, password. So and how can we go about that? The first thing we have to do is to stop running the MySQL. So how can you know if your MySQL is currently running? So you can just type this command, brew services list. So right now you can see that MySQL have started running, so I need to stop it. So in order for us to stop it, you need to type brew. So I'm going to clear up this terminal. So let me bring it forward. So you type brew services stop MySQL. So this command is going to stop your MySQL from running on our device. Okay, so if we should run brew services list again, now you can see that MySQL has stopped running. Now the next thing for us to type is for us to start MySQL server in a save mode. So I'm going to clear up this terminal. So you have to type sudo mysql d underscore save dash dash skip dash grant dash table and so what this command is going to do is it's going to start MySQL in save mode in order to bypass the normal authentication mechanism. So if we type enter, so let's give it some moment. So we need to start our MySQL server back. So I'm going to clear up this terminal. And in order for us to start MySQL, so we type brew services start MySQL. Now we can run the command again, mysql-u root. So now we are here. Then the next thing is for us to reset the root password. So how can we go about resetting the root password? So the command which I'm going to type is alter user. So then the root followed by @ then followed by localhost, then identify by then the new password. So I'm going to use my name as my password, then give it a colon like this. Then you can type flush privileges. Then we can exit. So now we have successfully changed our password for our MySQL. So now the next thing we have to do is to stop MySQL server from running in safe mode. So what we are going to do now is to type MySQL admin. So MySQL, so let me clear up this terminal first. my MySQL admin dash u root dash p, the new password, then shut down. So this is going to um it's going to shut down the MySQL. And once that is done, then we can start up MySQL back again with brew services. So with brew services, start MySQL. So services already started. Brew services restart. So let's just restart it. Restart MySQL to restart it. So we are stopping it, and now we have successfully restarted it. Now we can verify our connection by typing MySQL, which is our first command, which was giving us error, root dash p. So now if I should put in my password now, the new password, now you can see that I'm successfully connected to my database. So this is how you go about solving this issue, error access denied for user. Most of the time it is because you've entered, maybe probably you've forgotten your password which you use when you are setting up your MySQL initially. So you have to change the password, restart your MySQL, and restart it. Then you run it again, put it up. Then that is how you go about solving this issue. So if you've enjoyed this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.